Are you looking for the best electric lawn mowers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best electric lawn mowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Toro 60V Max 2-2 Recycler Mower. Toro has previously impressed our outdoor gear and appliances experts in lab tests, and this model is no exception. While it's on the pricier side, it's also one of the most powerful and suitable for yards up to half an acre large. Our partners at Popular Mechanics agreed. Not only is the Toro a highly efficient mower, it accomplishes this while turning in incredible cutting, mulching, and bagging performance, says senior home editor Roy Berenson. Just note that runtime is under an hour, but hopefully you'll be done mowing much sooner than that, thanks to the mower's effectiveness. Number 2. Ryobi 40V Cordless Battery Walk-Behind Mower. Ryobi is a leader among manufacturers of battery-powered tools. Our pros like this electric walk-behind lawn mower because handling and navigation are a breeze with the self-propelled feature. Our testers were most impressed by the machine's effective mowing and mulching. We also appreciate extra add-ons like an LED light for when the sun sets, as well as vertical storage that makes the mower easy to squeeze into a garage or shed. Though it's not quite as nimble around sharp corners and a bit tougher to push uphill, most new homeowners and novice mowers will be satisfied with its lengthy 70-minute runtime on a single charge. Number 3. Greenworks 40V Cordless Lawn Mower. In our tests, we found this push lawn mower to be exceptionally easy to control and maneuver, thanks to a well-thought-out design, which includes large 10-inch rear wheels and smaller 7-inch front wheels. Our pros pointed out that it's lightweight and quiet when in operation, and we appreciate the 7 cutting height positions. While its cutting width is smaller than other models in our test and runtime is only up to 30 minutes, this battery-powered mower should be sufficient for a small to mid-sized yard. Number 4. Ego Power Plus LM2150 SP Cordless Lawn Mower. Combining performance and power, this lawn mower will have your front yard spruced up in no time. It features a whopping 75 minutes of claimed runtime on a single charge, so you shouldn't have to recharge before you've finished up. In their review, our partners at Popular Mechanics were impressed with the lawn mower's outstanding cut quality, intuitive drive control and excellent bagging. Our pros also appreciate that you can choose among 7 cutting height positions as well as 3 interchangeable blades for the perfect cut. Also convenient is that the lawn mower's battery can be used across all Ego appliances, though keep in mind that it is sold separately.